In this video, I will show you how to connect your Wise account to PayPal in just few steps. First, open the PayPal app or website. Navigate to add a card or bank option. Select link a credit card from the options provided. Now open the Wise app. Go to card and select the card you want to connect to PayPal. Tap card details and enter your password. If you are on the Wise website, you may also need to verify using the app. Copy the card details such as the card number, expiration date and CVV code from Wise and paste them into PayPal. Next, approve the verification payment. You can use the Wise app, receive an SMS code or get a call. I will use the Wise app. Approve the payment for €0 and 0 cents by tapping yes. Approve it in the app. Once approved, your Wise card will be confirmed in PayPal. Tap Done and you are all set. Your Wise account is now connected to PayPal. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.